Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about covalent bond.
Bond formed by sharing of electrons between two atoms. Whenever there is sharing of electrons between two atoms, that will be your covalent bond. Now, types of covalent bond: single covalent bond, double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. Single covalent bond, when a single pair of electron being shared between two atoms. Okay बच्चे, for example, hydrogen molecule. As hydrogen is having only one valence electron, so it will be represented by one dot. Another hydrogen is also having one valence electron, so one dot. According to duplet rule, it requires only one electron to get stable. So this hydrogen is going to share one electron of another hydrogen. So it will be like this. Now this hydrogen is having two electrons. Same with another hydrogen. Another hydrogen also requires one more electron, so it will share another electron of hydrogen. So it is also having now two electrons. So you can clearly see there is one single pair of electron being shared between two atoms. One pair means one single covalent bond. Hydrogen, single bond, hydrogen. Next molecule is chlorine, Cl2. As you know, there are 7 valence electron in chlorine atom. As its atomic number is 17, 287 की distribution है, last shell में 7 electron है. तो there will be 7 dots around chlorine atom. Also, there will be another chlorine with 7 dots. According to octet rule, each atom should have 8 electrons to get stable. So this chlorine require only 1 electron to get stable, right? So it will share 1 electron from another chlorine like this. Now you can see in the circle there are 8 electrons. Same with another chlorine. It requires only 1 electron. So it will share 1 electron of another chlorine like this. So in that only one single pair of electron being shared, which leads to form chlorine, single bond chlorine. Another example is of HCl. As you know, hydrogen is having one valence electron, so one dot, and chlorine is having 7 valence electrons, so we will represent it by cross because there are two different atoms. So one is represented by dot, another one is with cross. As you know, hydrogen require only one electron, so it will share one electron of chlorine like this. Now see, chlorine is having 7 electron, so it also requires only one electron. So it will share one electron of hydrogen. Now both the atoms having their stable configurations. Only one pair of electron being shared. So hydrogen single bond chlorine, HCl. Next example is of NH3, ammonia molecule. Central atom is nitrogen. Number of electron is 7. So distribution will like 2 and 5. 5 valence electron will be represented as dot. Now hydrogen, उसके valence electron में 1 electron है, so it will be represented by 1 cross. Now as you know, hydrogen require only 1 electron, so complete its duplet like this. Each hydrogen is going to have 2 electrons. Now नाइट्रोजन रिक्वायर 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. वो तीनों इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कौन शेयर करेगा? हाइड्रोजन्स. हाइड्रोजन अपने अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर करेंगे नाइट्रोजन के साथ. तो बच्चे इन दिस सर्कल देयर विल बी 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, 5 ऑफ नाइट्रोजन और 3 हाइड्रोजन्स के. सो एज यू कैन सी, नाइट्रोजन इज मेकिंग 3 single covalent bonds with hydrogen.
CH4, methane. Central atom is carbon, having 4 valence electrons, and hydrogen will have 1 valence electron. As you know, hydrogen require only one electron, so it will share one electron from carbon. तो बच्चे your first step should be to complete valence electrons of hydrogen. Hydrogen complete हो गई valency. After that carbon requires 4 more electron, so it will share 1 electron of each
hydrogen.
इस सर्कल में बच्चे 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होने चाहिए. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So your structure will be like this. Carbon and hydrogen will have single bond. Next example is of ethane, C2H6, ethane. Right? Now बच्चे, there will be 2 carbons. Each will have 4 valence electrons represented as dot. 4 electrons, 4 electrons. 6 hydrogens. 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen and 3 hydrogen. 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen and this one is 3rd hydrogen. Cross represent valence electron of hydrogen. So first step is to complete valence electron of hydrogen. तो इसने इस कार्बन के इलेक्ट्रॉन को शेयर किया. Next will share electron like this. Correct? Now move towards this carbon. This carbon require 4 electrons. तो बच्चे ये 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन इसके शेयर करेगा. 6 हो गए. And 7 and 1 electron of another carbon. 4 electrons, 3 from these hydrogen, 4 3 7 and 1 from this carbon, 8 electrons. Same for this carbon. 3 from these hydrogens, 1 from the carbon. As you can see clearly, carbon is making single bond with hydrogen, 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 carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen. This is structure of ethane. Double covalent bond. When 2 pair of electron being shared between 2 atoms. For example, oxygen molecule O2. Now बच्चे, as you know, oxygen is having 6 electron in its valence shell. One oxygen will have 6 electrons in
its valence shell.
Oxygen 6 cross represent कर रहे हैं valence electrons, right? Now as you know, इसके पास 6 है, it means it requires 2 more electrons. तो इसने 2 electron share किया another oxygen से. Same with this oxygen, it will share 2 electrons of this oxygen. So as you can see, there are 2 pair of electron being shared. O double bond O, oxygen double bond की form में exist करेगा. Same बच्चे, next example is of C2H4, ethene. Ethene बच्चे, C2H4. There will be 2 carbons. Each carbon is having 4 valence electron. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 and 4. 4 hydrogens. 2 इस side, 2 इस side. 1 hydrogen this, 1 hydrogen this, with 1 valence electrons. Correct? The first step is to complete hydrogens. इस hydrogen को complete किया. Same with this hydrogen, because hydrogen require only 1 electron to get stable. Correct? Now move towards this carbon. Carbon is having 4 electrons. 5 6 7 8 means 2 electron share करेगा ये carbon. So your structure will be like this. You can see in this circle there are 8 electrons for this carbon. Next, this carbon. This carbon is also having 4 electrons. It will share 2 electrons from these hydrogens and 2 from this carbon. So your structure will be like this. Carbon, double bond carbon, 1 hydrogen, single bond and single bond. This is structure of ethene. Next, carbon dioxide, CO2. बच्चे, कार्बन इज सेंट्रल एटम, तो उसको सेंटर में लिखा विद 4 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ऑक्सीजन with 6 valence electrons. 1 oxygen this side, 1 oxygen this side. As you know, oxygen require only 2 electrons. तो oxygen को complete कर दिया firstly, right? Next this oxygen, it also requires 2 electrons. इसको भी complete कर दिया. Now this carbon is having only 4 electrons. It requires how many electrons? 4. So 2 ये इससे share करेगा, 2 इससे. So it will be like this. As this carbon is having 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons. But now you can see clearly 2 pair of electron share means carbon double bond. Double bond, 2 pair of electron, double bond, oxygen. But next is triple covalent bond. 3 pairs of electron being shared between 2 atoms. Example is nitrogen molecule. नाइट्रोजन का एटॉमिक नंबर 7 है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज 2 and 5. दिस 5 इज वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. टू रिप्रेजेंट नाइट्रोजन वी विल हैव 5 crosses. Same with another nitrogen, 5 cross. Right? Now you know to get stable this nitrogen require only 3 electron. तो ये 3 electron इस नाइट्रोजन से शेयर कर रहा है. Correct? Now you can see in this circle there are 8 electrons. Same with this nitrogen. It is also having 5 electron. तो इसको भी 3 electron चाहिए, तो another nitrogen will share its electron with this. Right? So you can clearly see 3 pairs of electron being shared means N triple bond N. Next example is C2H2 ethine. There are 2 carbons. 2 carbons each will have 4 valence electron. 4 valence electrons. 2 hydrogens है, 1 hydrogen this side and 1 hydrogen this side. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा? टू कंप्लीट द हाइड्रोजन. हाइड्रोजन कंप्लीट हो गए. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में बच्चे दिस कार्बन इज हैविंग 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. इट विल शेयर 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम दिस हाइड्रोजन and 3 electron of this carbon. बच्चे इस सर्कल में there should be 8 electrons now. 3, 3, 6, 7 and 8. Correct? Same for this carbon. 4 electrons, 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle like this. Now you can see carbon 3 pair of electron being shared means triple bond carbon. This is single bond hydrogen. This is single bond hydrogen. This is structure of ethine molecule.